Good morning, everyone. Tracy here, back to start vlog number 2 of number 9 in the restoration. What a mess. I started watching the other video and I noticed that like 99% of it was just black. So I figured, you know what, it's daytime. Let's actually show you what we've got going on in here. It's just piles and mounds and garbage. Walls have already been stripped out for the most part. I've already been warned, when this fridge is unstrapped, do not let it open. Because I guess it was getting funky about 3 months ago. Got old wall cabinets, couches, broken bicycles, mattresses. I went through a lot of this in the first video. Try to take my time, that way you can actually pause if you want to see what some of these items are. But it's all things that have just been left in here instead of thrown out in a dumpster, taken out with people's regular trash. The new building owner, he was saying he wants to just get a roll-off dumpster and just chuck all of it. I'm gonna try to talk to him and see about getting a recycler in here, somebody that'll pick up the water heaters, the fridges, the stoves, the dryer, all that stuff. That way we don't have to pay for every last thing to get thrown out. Maybe we can get away with getting rid of enough of the big things. We've got a 10-yard dump in the back. Maybe we can get away with everything else going in that. Because I've got saws, I've got hammers, I can break these couches down. The mattresses, you just wait until it's freshly emptied and you just fold one at a time in the very bottom of it. Or the day before it's ready to be picked up, you put it on top of everything. I got a few of my tools I've been collecting. Well, I hope everybody has a great day. Like and subscribe.